What up, guys? Welcome to another episode. Setting your rules and following them are two different things. You can set your rules and you will never follow them. I'm just taking an example of me. Setting, oh God, because I will not tell myself that if I don't see this in the market, or if the market doesn't do this and this, I will not enter. But I will do the opposite. I will do the opposite. This is Tuesday and I woke up. I don't know what took me to gold. I don't know what took me to gold before I even took a loss. I don't know what even took me to gold before I took a loss. I just woke up, went to the chart to analyze, and then I went to gold. Analyze, and I saw that's the clean setup. What did I do? I executed. And what did the market do? The stop loss. And what happened? I lost. Sometimes it's so frustrating, guys. Because I said to myself that I won't trade gold with this my capital unless I have a prop firm. That this capital is too small for me to be trading gold. But what did I do? I went and executed, hoping. You know the kind of trade in which is when it's going to a stop loss, you are hoping that no, come back. You are hoping that this thing is going to come back until it hit my stop loss. That's when my eyes cleared. But it is what it is. Today is Tuesday and I did a very... I'm not happy myself. I was lucky yesterday I took a winning trade on BTC. So this is the trade I took yesterday on BTC. And it went to TP, straight to TP. And I made $10 from it. I was up. But now today I took a trade on gold this year, in which they brought me back to break even. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. I don't think I'm going to take any trade for today, guys. It messed up my psychology. I don't think I'm going to take any trade for today. I just checked the market and there's a lot of news in the market. A lot of news in the market. So I don't think I'm going to take any trade again. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. I said yesterday, Tuesday, that I wasn't going to trade. After taking that stupid gold trade in the morning, I said that I wasn't going to trade again. But guess what? I executed yesterday. I was ashamed of myself. I didn't even film myself. I didn't even film because I took a trade on EU that didn't went in my favor. But I'm not pissed. I'm not pissed. Because this is what you get when you don't follow the rules. This is what you get when you don't follow the rules. When you set your rules and you ignore, you decide to ignore. These are the things that will happen. But anyways, I'm on this trade on EU. So I'm going to see how the outcome is gonna be. But for now, we'll cross our fingers. Let's go. Let's just hope for better. See you guys after the trade. So this is the trade I entered and it hit my TP. But I don't I don't know why I'm pissed off, because I didn't risk much. Why is it so? Why am I so angry I didn't enter with a bigger lot size? I don't know. I need to stop being, because normally I was going to be targeting $9, but I got $9 or $10, but I got by 7, 6 or something, I think. But normally I was going to be targeting 9 or 10. I don't know why I'm pissed off. Normally I could be my account could have been up. But see, anyway, it is what it is. So I'm waiting for. So now I'm not taking any trade again. I'm even tired and you just need to sleep and rest and wait and prepare for tomorrow. Stay tuned, guys. How long will I keep doing this? For how long will I keep doing one and the same mistake, over and over and over? For how long will I keep doing this? Now I'm very pissed off with myself because I did something which wasn't in the plan again. Today is Friday and I wasn't supposed to take a trade. I wasn't supposed to take any trade today. I wasn't supposed to take any trade. I don't know how many times I will I continue doing this same one and the same mistake. I don't know how many times will I continue doing it. Today I took a trade in which I wasn't supposed to take on GJ. In which the time in which I usually trade didn't even arrive yet. But I saw it as an A+ setup. Always seeing A+ setup, always seeing an A+ setup. And taking losses, unnecessary losses. So this is the trade I took on GJ, in which I wasn't supposed to take this trade because after news, most of the time the market don't really move that way. That's what I noticed. So most of the time after news, the price don't really move that way. So I said let me just wait for Monday. And when I saw a trade on GJ, and then I took it, and it went directly to my stop loss. Directly. It's not even that it went in my direction, it went directly to the stop loss. So I'm so pissed off. I don't know how many times will I continue doing one and the same mistakes over and over. You know the mistakes you do, but you keep doing it over and over. So this is the end of the week, and as you can see here, I'm back to break even, in which I could have been up. It's just that I missed some trades during the week, in which I don't know how I missed those trades. I don't really know. When I still look at myself, I don't know how I missed those trades. But it is what it is. We learn every day. I just journaled that, so I'm going to go back to it and see what made me to lose those trades. So it is what it is. And one thing I also noticed about this week is that I'm improving on my analysis. I'm improving again. It's just that it's the psychology that's not that's not on point now. It's my psychology, and also that I'm afraid, fear. I'm afraid to lose. That's also one thing. I know when it concerns money, some of us are usually afraid to lose money in such a way that, and I'm among those people in which to lose money, guys, I feel like it's the end of the world. What they usually say online is losers are part of the game. Yes, losers are part of the game, but are you willing to take that? Are you willing to accept it? Because that's the big problem, is to accept that losses are part of the game. That's the most difficult part, is to accept it. Also, the good thing about Forex is that, as you can see, I took more losses more than the wins, but I'm at break even. You see, when you take 2 to 3 wins, it brings you back. That means if you use risk management very well, then you can be profitable with even 50% win rate, even 30% win rate. You can be profitable if you use good risk management, from what I've noticed. Because trading this account, I've seen that you can also be profitable with a small win rate. You can be profitable with a small win rate, from what I've noticed trading live, from my experience. Even though I don't have that much experience, but at least I'm seeing things in which they can't teach that. When you start trading live, you see things in which they can't teach you. They can't teach you psychology. They only tell you do this so that psychology will, so that you can handle your psychology. They can't really teach you psychology. You are going to, like, how would I put it? You are going to see it by yourself. You are going to, the market is going to test you. So that's how it is. So anyway, guys, This is a P&L for the week, and we are back to break even. And let's hope next week will be another good week. Because this week, I think I can say this week is profitable because I was down last week. I was on drawdown. So today is Friday, and I'm back to break even, in which I believe next week I'm going to take the account to the next level. Thanks you guys for tuning. Peace and love.